Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to create a background blur within your Figma design, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, so let's dive in. So the first thing we're going to do here is create a shape. Alright, so I'm going to choose the rectangle, let's click down and drag, and here it is. So let's create a fill, and we're going to make it green. Let's make it quite a deep green. So we can also customize this by changing the roundness of the corners. And once we're done, we are going to just use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to duplicate it. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see all your layers, and here is the duplicate. Now I'm going to place it just over here. And for the fill, I'm going to make it completely white. And I'm going to go to Effects, and immediately there is a drop shadow here. So if you open up this menu, you'll see background blur. Now, the next thing you need to do is go and look for fill, and you want to make this opacity around about 50%. Okay, it depends on your needs. The next thing you can do is go into Effects, click on that blur icon, and here this number represents the intensity of the blur. So you can either dial in a value, or you can click down on blur. You'll see the little arrows appear, and you can scroll left and right to increase or decrease the intensity. You can see now that it has made quite a significant difference, and of course you can play around with this value as well as the value of the opacity, and you can create a fantastic background blur.